Hey traders, Michael from Elite Traders University here. Okay, just doing a recap on our pound trade. And originally I went long, believing that the higher time frame market structure was looking for a break higher up to 1.43. So from the beginning I was heavily quite long down in this zone here. That was my initial position held. Pushed all the way up, and I then actually added to my position in here, and I did a lot of scalping down here. And as we came up to the top, I believe that we were getting a bit overextended, and believe that we actually might get quite a nice sized pullback. And so because of that, I actually exited all my long positions from down here, somewhere up in this zone here. And sure enough, last night we had a drop from the high, 80 pips down, and as you can see, we're moving back down today. So longer term, I am actually looking to get long again if the opportunity presents itself, because I believe the monthly, the daily, and the weekly charts are still bullish. But we need to turn around on the lower time frames. So let's go ahead and look at my deal map on this trade and see what actually happened. Okay, so here's my deal map. As you can see, this is a live account. Okay, so these are my initial long positions, as you can see, taken out for plus 152 pips. Here's my long positions up here. I did a little bit of scalping up in here. It was speculative, and the market was pushing down, so I got stopped out on some small positions. And then I shorted the market, as you can see, and pushed it down for 33 pips, 37 pips, and I took a couple after we got this big push up. These take profits were set, and when I woke up in the morning, we'd already had this big push up, and it was possible, after seeing all this bullish price action, it was possible that we were going to move a bit higher. And so as you can see, I closed out these positions here for 20 pips and 5 pips, almost a scratch trade, but sure enough we turned down anyway. So overall, again, this is going back, we opened these trades on the 12th of February. So if we put our period separator on, that was, we opened it on a Friday. So Friday, and this is a Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday. So really only 3 days. And let's look at our deal, look at our history. So this is my history from the 14th of December. These are the trades for 153, 152, 150, 150. These are those small scalps, speculative scalps. A couple of scratch trades, a couple more speculative scalps, and a few more scratches, and then those are the ones last night. So ultimately ended up with brilliant result. These scalps were small positions, these were much bigger positions, and so I ended up with well over 700 pips, I believe. So awesome result, and I am looking to get long again, but we need to see what's going to happen on the higher time frame. So I'm watching that carefully. Seeing this demand come in and then immediate rollover is interesting. So that's telling us that the dollar is actually strengthening in the near term. But we're possibly coming down to test the initial breakout region of lower down. So let's have a look at that and see where might be a good place to get long. So looking at the, this is the 1 hour chart. Definitely, if we saw price test the 200 period moving average, that would be a great place to bounce. And as you can see, this is where we stopped before. Now if we look at this region in the past, let's just change the color on it, give it a bit of perspective. You can see that this is the region where price has stopped and broken through. See, it came up, stopped here, broke through, came down, stopped, and then reversed. So this is a region of interest if we get past the 200 period moving average. and this line here at 1.37 is the initial breakout phase, which is indicated by this breakout over here, the initial breakout above the high. So that is typically where we're looking for price to stop, ultimately for retest. But you know, depending on what the daily and the 4-hour charts do, I am definitely looking to get long. All going well, somewhere in this region here. So let's see what happens. And if you like the video, just comment. What are you doing? What are you trading at the moment? What success did you have from this trade if you took it? Hit the subscribe button, and if you do want to connect with us, there is a link below where you can schedule a call to talk with me, talk about your trading journey and how we can take you to the next level. Alright traders, have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.